In this video, we will talk about the user-defined type statement, and the enumeration declaration. Here, we are declaring a type called student type. Now, in the type declaration, we will declare some variables that are commonly associated with a student. First, we will declare first name as a string variable. We will also declare three other variables of different data types. One for a student's last name, one for their GPA, and one for the number of credits they have earned. We can use this type similar to how we would use an object variable, and we will have access to all of its variables. Here, we will declare a student type variable called student. We can use a with statement to set the data contained within the student type variable. After declaring a with statement for the variable, we can access each variable using dot notation. Now, we can use each saved parameter in the student variable, using dot notation. Here, we will use the debug.print method, to create a formatted output of the data. We can do the assignment of values to each parameter in the student data type variable by using dot notation, instead of using a with statement. An enum declaration is a special data type that allows us to enumerate values based on a list of names for a given enum type. Here, we've created an enum called color. It will contain a list of colors. Each listed color will automatically be given a value, with the first value being 0. With this enum statement, we can see that red would hold the value 0, while yellow would hold the value 4. We can also assign a value to a listed item manually. Here, we will assign yellow the value of 20. This will also change the value of all listed items after yellow, so green will now have the value 21.